Is your parking garage in need of fresh, clear line painting? Topline Pavement Services has you covered. Faded lines can lead to confusion, disorganized parking, and even accidents. Our professional line painting services ensure that your parking garage is marked with precision, improving safety and the overall experience for your customers or tenants. With years of experience, we know how to tackle even the busiest parking garages, providing long-lasting results. At Topline Pavement Services, we use top-of-the-line equipment and high-quality, durable paint to ensure clean, sharp lines that will stand the test of time. Whether you need parking spaces, directional arrows, or handicap symbols, we handle it all. We work efficiently to minimize disruption to your business or property, scheduling services at times that work best for you. Your parking garage will not only look more professional but also function better, with improved traffic flow and organized parking. A well-maintained parking garage leaves a lasting impression and ensures safety for everyone using the space. Let Topline Pavement Services bring your garage back to life with our expert line painting services. From small touch-ups to complete restriping, no job is too big or too small. Contact us today to schedule your parking garage line painting and see the difference a professional touch can make.